Hello, guys. So, I am here with yet another video, and this time it's going to be a Nika product haul. So, recently there was a Nika pink sale going on the occasion of Valentine's Day, and I have ordered way too many products from Nika. So, recently I am obsessed with skincare and makeup, and so yeah, I'll just show you what all products I have got, and let's see. Okay, so starting first with the skincare. So I have got a lot of skincare. Like you don't know how much obsessed I am with skincare. And you know, girlies, right? Skincare before makeup. So I have ordered a lot of products. So let me just take you through those products one by one. First is this Dot and Key sunscreen. So I had seen this sunscreen way too many times, but I didn't got time to just try this. So I've ordered this from the sale. Next is the body lotion. So this is Chemist Play brightening boost body lotion. So this is the body lotion that I have got because my skin was very rough and dry, especially during the winters. So I have ordered this. I have not tried this yet, so I'll tell you the review. Next product is this face wash. So this is the simple refreshing facial face wash. So basically I have seen way too many influencers and people talking about this simple face wash. I have been using the Himalaya one for quite some time now, and I just thought maybe I should try something else. So mine is a little sensitive, little combination. It acts way too weird sometimes. So I've ordered this because people have said that this is very neutral to all skin types. Chemist Play underarm roll on. So earlier I was using this Be Body Wise one, but I just wanted to try something else. So I have ordered this Chemist at Play underarm roll on. Next is this kojic acid face serum from Dermaco. So this is a recent addition. So recently I have been getting some acne and some pimples. So they don't stay for too long in my skin, but what really happens is I do get some dark spots on my skin once the pimples and acne goes away. So I just wanted to try something which is able to fade the pigmentation and the dark spots post the pimple and acne. So I will try this out and I'll let you know the review also. Next one is this moisturizer. So this is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrolonic Acid Moisturizer. So this is a very kind of most talked about product in the skincare industry. So I just wanted to try this. So this is actually a bit expensive moisturizer till now that I have got, but I just wanted to try something new. So I just thought of getting some good moisturizer for my skin because this was this winter plus summer, there's some kind of humidity going on in this Mumbai weather. So I just wanted to try a good moisturizer and a good sunscreen, so that you are done for the day. So this is what I have got. The last item from my skincare, this L'Oreal Glycolate Bright Glowing Cream for night. So in the night, I'm already using a retinol, but I wanted some other cream so that I can alternate between the retinol and some other serum or something. So this is what I have got, and I have been trying this out. Till now there is no such any big difference as such, so that I can let you know. But yeah, I can see my skin being more smooth when I wake up in the morning post applying this in the night. So this was everything that I have got for the skincare range. Let's dive into the makeup. Okay, so under makeup I have got, I mean to say, a lot of products also. So let me just take you some basics ones. Those are my like recent purchases, and there are some other. Most of the products are in lip balm and lipsticks. So I'll just show you that also. So let's go one by one. First product is this Nika Oh My Brow Gel. So I don't have some good eyebrows, to be honest. So I wanted something good, maybe a kind of a brow gel which I can use on a daily basis. while going to my office. So this is what I just discovered, which is this Oh My Brow Gel. So I have applied it also for this video, so you can see like this, you can define it very clearly with this gel. This is very easy to apply, just like your eyeliners or your mascara. So it has a very good brush and you can apply it very easily. So it looks good and it can be used on a day to day basis. So this is the good one. Then second is again my this is a repeat order that I usually get, the Lakme black eyeliner. So I have been applying eyeliner for years, and all my liners, I've never used my those sketch pens or those pencil ones. I always apply a liquid eyeliner, and this is my favorite. Earlier I was using some other eyeliner, I just forgot the name. So that was very waterproof, so I didn't wanted, and or for a day to day basis, any waterproof eyeliner. So this is the one which gets easily removed from your skin, and it's easy to apply as well. So this is a good eyeliner according to me right now. The next what I've got is this Nika Get Cheeky Blush Duo Blush. So let me just open it out and tell you. Okay, so this I haven't used yet, but I wanted one blush which has two tones. No, because I actually don't want to own so many products, because you end up using none. So I just wanted one wherein you can apply blush in different tones for different occasions and for different dresses according to your choice. So this one has got one pink and one peach color. So they have got different tones, and you can choose according to your skin tone which one suits you better. So this is what I have got. Then another and this very good addition to my makeup is this brush set. This is Mars Tools of Titans brush set. And I had actually a few makeup brushes, but there was just one odd one from either, or it was not consistent, and I've lost a few brushes while I was shifting, or maybe in my travel. So I just wanted a good brush set for my makeup, and I've been filming some shooting videos and all of those things. So I was just thinking maybe to add a good brush set. So this is a very good set according to me. I have used it in my recent videos also, and I've been using it quite regularly. And this is very good one. Let me just show you. So you get a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brushes, and for all things, right from your foundation to your blush to your eyebrows to your eye for applying your eyeshadows for your cheeks, everything. This is a very good brush set according to me, because I have used 3 4 till now, and it's very soft, very good to your skin. And the foundations and blush mixes up, blends very well with these brushes. So this is a good one if you are thinking of buying some good brush set wherein you get all in one. So this is a set that you should consider buying if you're a beginner, especially like me. Okay, so the next thing under makeups are the lipsticks and lip balms. So I have ordered Nika Matte to Last lipstick. Let me just show you. So I have ordered two shades. One is like, these are the two shades. I will just put it down below for your reference. And these two are very good shades. Like it actually suits my skin tone. So this is the one. Then I have got few from Mars. So I've started using the lip crayons already, because this was in my previous order. So this is the Mars lip crayon in two shades. And then this is Mars Super Stay Non-Transfer Lipstick. This is by far my most favorite lipstick so far. Like, this has got such a good color. Oh my god, this is really really good. And then I have got one lip gloss from Mars again. This is the peach shade that I've got. So I wanted to try something nude while you apply your gloss. So this is the Caramel Crunch, a Mars Candelicious lip gloss that I've got. And then I have got this Swiss Beauty lip liner. Then I have got few lip balms. Oh my god, let me tell you my obsession with lip balms these days. And this is the Hyphen vitamin infused peptide lip balm from Kitty Sanon's brand called Hyphen. And then we have Swiss Beauty Kiss Candy lip balm. Then we have my most favorite Dot and Key Gloss Boss lip balm. This almost I use it almost daily. And then this is for this is a tinted lip balm to cure the pigmentation in your lips. So this is the Wish Care ceramide lip balm, which is again tinted. So this is usually used when you have got some pigmentation or dark lips. So this will cure that, as well as this is a lip balm. So it's beauty with skincare again. And this is the most cute packaging. This is the Nika Lip Crush Macaron Lip Balm, and this is so cute and it smells delicious. So this is all of the products that I've got. Apart from this, for lip care, I have also got this Bella Vita lip scrub Nico lips. So recently my lips have been experiencing very, it's very dry and very flaky. So I wanted to try some scrub especially for my lips. So this is what I have ordered. Okay, for my hair, I have ordered two products. From that, the first one is this Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Hair Mask. So this is a beautiful hair mask. I have tried this and applied it on my hair post my shower, and just keep it for 2 to 3, 4, 5 minutes, and then just wash your hair again. And oh my god, this leaves your hair so smooth, so frizz free hair. Like, I just loved my hair post my shower. And just after the shower, once you are done with this, apply this. This is the Biolarge Smooth Proof Avocado Deep Smoothing Hair Serum. So pour in your damp hair itself, apply this Biolarge serum, and this just works wonders. So if your hair feels very frizzy post your shower, so you can apply these two products, and these are just holy grail. So yeah, this was all about my Nika product haul. So let me know which ones did you tried and you liked. I'll be coming up with more such hauls. Comment down below which hauls do you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.